Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial, and today we are going to be looking at a package, and this contains a audio transceiver Bluetooth one. So without further ado, let's get into it. So before I open this, which it's already open, I got this for my audio interface that I reviewed in the past, the Mac audio interface, and this becomes a wireless extension of that interface, because sometimes I just want to play music rather than pulling out the DJ equipment, because I showed that device hooked up to the DJ equipment in the past. But now I can hook this directly up, and we'll see how we do it. So this is how we do it actually. So we've got a 3.5mm to 3.5mm 2 males. We also get a banana plug for the plane, but we won't be using that plug. I don't think I'll be flying anytime soon. And besides the user manual, which is already out, we get a USB-A male to USB-C male. And last but not least, here is the device right here. So this is advertised to transmit to 2 Bluetooth headphones at the same time, or speakers. It works on speakers as well, I've tried it. But what it doesn't advertise, but it can do, is receive as well. So you could actually pair a phone up to this and then use this as a line out. So at the top here you've got USB-C charger, USB-C charge, also power as well, and you also got the 3.5mm jack. This is classed as a line in and a line out, depending on how the switch is set when the device is on. So at the moment this will be classed as a line in because this is on transmit, and as you see you've got and then it receives, and then on receive mode it acts as a line out, so it uses the same jack as a line out. So what we'll do is we'll turn it on transmit, and then we'll see if we can connect one of these speakers. So these say to use headphones, but you can use speakers. And they can plug in 2 headphones or speakers, or 1 of each. So we'll see if it is true. Actually, we'll turn this one off. Then we'll turn it back on. And this would connect as well. Voila, so both of these speakers are connected to this device. So that means that anything I plug as a line in on this device, whether that's a TV, if I plug this into a 3.5mm audio jack in the TV, which is sort of useless these days because most TVs are smart and come with the Bluetooth built in. But it could be anything that's not Bluetooth compatible that you want to turn it into a Bluetooth wireless device. You can connect this side too. You can actually swap the cables out, so instead of having a 3.5mm on this side, you can have either RCAs or 1/4" jacks, depending on what adapters you use. But in this case, this is just what comes with it, and this is the 3.5mm. So anything 3.5mm I can put in. So this acts like a line in. But the reason why I brought this device, as I said, is for my audio interface. So we're actually going to be using this side as a line out. So that means audio will be coming as an output on this side. At the moment in transmit mode, this is an audio input. So so you can actually, if I plug this, I can actually demonstrate it in receive mode. So what I can do is I'll plug this into the audio in on this side. So now we're plugged into the audio in, and now we can flick the switch down to receive mode and you'll hear it. So it says connected. It also talks as well.
Power off. Power on. Connected.
So yeah, this is now acting as a receiver. So it's actually hooked to the phone that I'm actually recording off, so it'll be, I won't also play music for the sake of copyright, but as I said, this becomes a line out device. And as you see, there's a picture of the music symbol. Usually on that side, if you've got it on transmit, it'll have a picture of a headphone. So just to demonstrate again, let's click it on transmit, and then you can see the headphones. So one and two of them are connected again. So yeah, and then the same thing, I can plug this into anything that's a line in, or I can plug this into audio out, and then it'll take the signal, thing it in, and then transmit it wirelessly to two speakers at once. I haven't tested the latency to see if there's any latency off one plays thing than the other. That'll probably come later on, and this is out of this tutorial for me, but I just thought I would show off the device itself. This has 28 hours of playtime, it reckons, but I'll be using this as part of my portable studio, and this will be always connected to a power bank. So yeah, this won't sort of be used in the internal battery. It'll be using the power bank's battery really, unless I need to use the power bank to charge something else, then I can utilize this internal battery. But anyway, peeps, I just thought I'd demonstrate this and show it off. And this does work with it charging at the same time. So if you plan to keep this stationary and you don't want the battery to go down, that is also a possibility too. Just be mindful with the default cable. It does take a little bit of pushing down, but not too much. You don't want to wreck it. Just enough to click the USB-C cable into place, and then you have your USB-A cable and the 3.5. I do got other cords to fit this, but this is just using the defaults. So without further ado, hopefully everyone has a good day, and until next time, ciao ciao.